All right, how you guys doing today? This is Mr. Muscarella coming at you. I'm going to show you how to log into the AP Calculus textbook. So on the teacher side, what you're going to do is go ahead and go to WebAssign.net. You'll go ahead and click on the login button, and then you'll enter your user credentials, which in LCPS is just your login. And then the password, whatever password you've used or set up, is where you go ahead and so once you are in, make sure you use the right password. So once you're in, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to create, and you're going to create a course. Now, you can see I've got some sections already there, but if this is your first course, you're going to create a new course with no assignments. So a new course with no assignments, you can go ahead and click continue. And then you can call the course number whatever you want. And I know for AB, maybe just call it MAT 101, and then the course title, maybe do that AP Calc AB, and then the section, since this is the 1920 school year, maybe I'm just going to make that 1920. Now the instructor is listed there, and then you can choose to have students self-enroll with the class key, and I like to require them to add their student ID to that, so it's up to you. Now the term, you're going to select 1920. And then the start date, so this year's school, I'm just going to go ahead and select the 19th, and then the last day of school for the 1920 school year is, let's see, that is June 10th. So June 10th is when that goes. Now, down here where the class meets, you're going to select no scheduled class meetings. Now for the textbook, you're going to click on that drop-down menu, and if you hit M, or you can scroll down to mathematics, either way, oops, where it goes, you're going to find calculus right there. Now our calculus textbook that we have adopted is Miranda, Sullivan, so once you start to type in, you'll see that auto-populate, and you're just going to click on that textbook, and you'll see that selected right there. Next, go ahead and check the box that says you certify that the textbook has been approved for the class, blah, 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 and then create course down the lower left-hand corner. So it'll take a moment to generate, and then ta-da! Now you'll see these course packs that are available, so if you click on more information, you'll see that over here on the right, it'll say 2 course packs. So the first one it is for Calculus AB, and you'll see that where it says Sullivan, Miranda, Calculus 2E, AB Calculus on the left. And the assignment name, notice there's 39. There's 39 assignments there. Now, if I click on the second course pack for anybody who's teaching BC Calculus, you'll see this will be slightly different because there's 72 assignment names, and the title over here is BC Calculus instead. So whichever course pack you want to add, go ahead and add that. So I'm just going to add whichever one I've got selected here and add course pack to my assignments. Now this is where you get to decide as an instructor, because maybe you've got 3 sections, but you're going to give them all the same information. So maybe you only create 1 course, maybe you create 1 for each course. It's up to you. All right, so once you've got your course pack in there, the next thing we're going to want to do is get our students set up. So when you go to class view, so you're going to click on class view, and you'll see over here on the right class, or on the left-hand side, class tools. And you want to make sure you're in the right section that you're in there. And then you go down here to class key settings. So this key right here is specific to me at this school because that's for my kids. And so if you want to type a message in there, you're like, you can type in whatever message that you want. All right, so that's going to be the message I'm going to send them. And I just save that. And then kids are going to just use that address when they go ahead and do that. Now, how do they actually get to that place? How can you go ahead and get them enrolled? So what I have my students do is I give them this link right here. So this link is kind of the same thing, WebAssign.net. So let me just actually go here first. So if you just go to WebAssign.net, the same spot that we went to as staff to log in, you're going to see this option up here on the right that says Enter Class Key. So when they click on that, whatever the class key is, they'll put that in these 3 spaces and then click Enroll. And that's all students need to do to get signed up. Now, they may get an enrollment. They may need to go ahead, their pop-up blocker might pop up. So if it does, after they click Enroll, so they'll enter their code, click Enroll, they may have a pop-up blocker that pops up. So if they do, they've got to make sure to allow that. If there's an issue, of course, they can come see us. Sometimes they might need to do a confirmation email, and that would be sent out in their email. So check your junk folder and your spam folder, because sometimes that's where stuff ends up that shouldn't end up there. So anyway, that's how you get students enrolled in the online AP Calculus textbook for the 1920 school year. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great day. Peace out.